Good morning, Whimsy Ray fans. Hello, I know it's been a little while since I've been able to post a video, but I have a lot of exciting news to tell you about. This is Whimsy Ray's Artistry. This is Rachel with Whimsy Ray's Artistry. You can check me out at whimsyraysartistry.com. And I am here with Meta Warwick Fuller. She is one of the first Black women to be recognized for being an artist, a sculptor. She lived in Paris for a brief time. She really helped pave the way for a lot of Black female artists at her time, during her time. She lived in the late 1800s and passed away in early 1900s. And this is my Whimsy Ray style rendition of Meta Warwick Fuller. She was a very passionate woman. She was very outspoken for her time. Of course, anyone that spoke their mind during that time was considered outspoken, but at any rate, she was very courageous and did a lot of beautiful artwork, pretty amazing things. You should check her out on YouTube. There's a lot of videos on her, very educational, something that you might want to look into for inspiration for yourself. It doesn't matter what nationality you are if you're looking for inspiration for people who have gone through some pretty amazing challenges. Check out Meta Warwick Fuller. She's full of character and life and can give you some suggestions on how she behaved and how she continued to do her art. So this is Rachel with Whimsy Ray's Artistry. I am going to be doing a live viewing of her Friday, June 25th at the Genesis Block here in Wilmington, North Carolina. Genesis Block is located on 20 Wrights Alley. It is in an alley, just so you know, but it's a beautiful building. They're the nicest people you'll ever want to meet. And Genesis Block is a great place to network and really talk to them. Tracy and her husband are doing really amazing things here in Wilmington. So if you are new to Wilmington, North Carolina, or considering moving here, or even want to come check out my artwork, Friday at 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. is an opening. So we are going to have a lot other artwork. There's going to be 20 famous Black women that are be shown and displayed similar to this one. I am a textured mixed media artist. Thank you very much for your time. Come and check me out. I'll be there.